Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Dear students, in the intermediate second year 2021, you are going to study the fourth section, poetry, prose, non-detailed and grammar. But today I want to explain the poetry section, and I will be explaining the same section unless until become completed. And why it is so? Because the first questions would be asked in the final examinations from the poetry section. So that is why I want to make you perfect first in poetry section. And how many poems you have studied? So in this year, because of COVID-19, 30% syllabus has been removed. So before there were 6 poems altogether, but this year you have only 4 poems. So you have to study only 4 poems. And these poems are as follows. Here, Qismu Shi'ri, poetry section. And what are the poems are there? The first one is namely Alhamdu, the praise. Second one is Uhibbu, I love, I like. And third one is Shabun Nabilun, a pious or noble young man. The fourth one is Ayyuhat Tullab, O student. So these are the 4 poems which are shown on the screen. You have to be strict with these poems only. So because 2 poems have been eradicated from the syllabus, so that is why I didn't mention that one. Maybe you will be confused. So that is why only 4 poems are mentioned here. So let's go to read the first poem. And one thing more I want to tell you, and that is from which section the questions will be asked. You have to know. Suppose from the poetry section, what are the bits are going to be come in the final examinations? What are the bits which are being asked in the final examinations from the poetry section? So perfectly you should know those bits. So I am going to explain the only poetry section firstly. That is why I will mention only the bits which are going to come in the final examinations. And what are the bits from the poetry section? I have written, you can see and follow that one. And those are first bit as it was last year, but slightly changes over there. And what are the changes? The beginning of the sentence of verses and ending of the sentence of verses would be given, and you have to fill the blanks. Then after, you have to explain the two verses in your own language. So for that you will get 6 marks. Then second bit will be asked from the poetry section only, and that is nothing but you have to write the summary in English as you had written last year. So for that also you will get 6 marks. Then just escape the third one, fourth one, and come to the fifth one. So fifth bit will be from the poetry section, and that is nothing but only you have to give the reference of the mentioned verses from which poems these lines are taken. So you have to write this one in Arabic. Then after, escape the sixth one and go to the seventh. Seventh questions, that is SAQs, short question and answer. As you had written last year, for that also 6 marks. And the last one among the poetry section, that is 9th bit. So in the 9th bit, you will be asked to write the VSAQs, very short question and answer. Only yes, no. So for that you will get 5 marks. So I want to remind you again, first bit, second bit, fifth bit, seventh bit, 9th bit. So these 5 bits would be asked from the poetry section, and I told you how many marks are there in the poetry section. So altogether, if you count, that will be 29 marks from the poetry section. So first of all, you become perfect in the poetry section. Then after, inshallah, we will start another section. So let's go to read the first one. Here, Alhamdu, the meaning is the praise. And it is very easy to memorize because in every prayer we recite the Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. Praise be to Allah, the sustainer of the universe. So what is the meaning of Alhamdu? The praise. The questions will be asked like that. Complete the following verses and explain them. Attempt any one of the following, 6 marks. Last year, it was only A and B. But this year, one more choice is given. So A, B, C. Among these 3, which one is easy for you, you can go for that. Suppose I am comfort with A, I don't want B and C. So you have to copy this line. This is the first one and this is the second one on your answer sheet. Then after Allahu Jalla, what is the word after Jalla? You have to write here. Allahu Jalla Sha'nuhu, as here mentioned. Number one, Allahu Jalla Sha'nuhu. So only the matter of one word. Then after As-Sifatul Baqiyah. Here, Lahu Sifatul Baqiyah. So you have to write here Lahu. The meaning of this line are written under these lines. So Allahu Jalla Sha'nuhu, Allah's grandeur is great. As-Sifat attributes, Al-Baqiyah, eternal. Eternal attributes, Lahu, for him only, for Allah only. Rabbus Samai, here, number two, Rabbus Samai wal Arazi. So waw is here, then you have to write Al-Ara, then Z. Wal Miyahil Jariya. So Arzun means earth, Arazi, plural form. Al-Arzu with Alif Lam, Al-Ma'rifa, proper noun. So that is why here Al-Arazi. Arzun, Arazi. Al-Arzu, Al-Arazi. So Rabbus Samai wal Arazi, he is the Lord of the sky or heaven and Lord of the earth. Wal Miyahil Jariyah, and Lord of the water or streams which are flowing, Al-Jariyah. So after filling this one blanks, just you write down here side heading explanation. Then you should write something about the Almighty Allah and His eternal qualities, adjectives. And second line, Rabbus Samai wal Arazi wal Miyahil Jariyah. So you have to put something on the paper, at least in half pages, and for that you will get 6 marks. Then this one, Uhibbullah wa Rasula, this is the second poem. This is also second poem. Ana Fatan Amin, this one third poem. So just for your practice, I mentioned here, it was not necessary. Only I wanted to explain the first 2 lines of the first poem, namely Alhamdu. So the poems, all verses are written here. These are the 5 verses. Allahu Jalla Sha'nuhu, Lahu Sifatul Baqiyatu, Rabbus Samai wal Arazi wal Miyahil Jariyah. ويبصر النملة في جنح الليالي الداجية, and he sees or can see النملة, the tiny ant, في جنح الليالي, layali nights, ad-dajiyah, dark, fi junhil layali ad-dajiyah, in the wake of darkness. So Almighty Allah can see a tiny ant in the wake of darkness at night. Muqtadirun, he is a powerful. Zu rahmatin, merciful, all merciful. Wa akhizun, and he is going to hold in the day of judgment. Bin nasiyah, by catching the forelocks of human beings. Fakhsha min Allah, so fear of Allah, or fear Allah, be mindful about Allah. Alladhi, who, ya'lamu, knows, kulla, everything, khafiyah, hidden. So these are the translations. Just you have to pick up some important things from the verses, and if you know the meanings of these verses, naturally this will be helpful at the time of writing the summary. So this one, you have to memorize 2 lines of the first poem, that is Allahu Jalla Sha'nuhu lahu sifatul baqiyah rabbus samai wal aradhi wal miyahil jariyah. And then after you have to explain in English, and then after, so this section, this is the first section which would be asked in the final examinations, and the pattern will be like that. Whatever the lines are wrote here, the same lines will be asked in the final examinations. So it is looks like a exam pattern for final. Then till here the translations of the above verses. Then after second bit, as you know, that is summary of the poems. So that is why I wrote here summary of the poem, The Praise. For how many marks? 6 marks. In which language you have to write? In English. So the question will be like this: write the summary of any one of the following poems in not less than 100 words in your own language, 6 marks. So this is the model for final exam. What is the summary? You can read easily, but I read, just you listen this one. Almighty Allah, means powerful Allah, is the creator of the entire universe, worlds. He is the Lord of both the worlds. His grandeur, greatness is great. Nothing in this world can move without His command. Even the water which flows through the river is by only His command. Allah has knowledge of everything going around. He has knowledge of His each and every servant, and He knows that is going on among His servants, and even their secrets cannot be hidden from Him. He has knowledge about the tiniest and enormous, as He could see an ant in the darkest of dark night. So then after the fifth bit, and which is already you know, that is the reference of the poem. 4 lines will be given. This year 5 lines, and you have to answer 2. Suppose examiner is asking, give the reference of the following verses in Arabic. Number 1, Allahu Jalla Sha'nuhu Lahu Sifatul Baqiyah. This is the first verse. Copy this one. Then after write Al-Jawab Hadha Ash-Shi'ru Ukhida Min Nashidati or Min Nazmi Alhamdu or Uhibbu or Shabun Nabilun. Whatever the verses are mentioned over there, you have to write the names of the poems from which the verses are taken. So that is 5th bit. Then after 7th bit. So 7th bit is SAQs. Ajib anil isnain fil lughatil arabiyyah. You don't know the meaning of this, doesn't matter. The translation is here. Answer any 2 of the following questions in Arabic. 6 marks. So it was before they used to ask the 4 questions, but this year they will ask you 5 questions. You have to write 2. So these are the question and answer which are taken from the first poem Alhamdu, which is mentioned on the first page. So first question is Limanis Sifat Al-Baqiyah. Liman, for whom, As-Sifat Al-Baqiyah, eternal qualities, eternal attributes. Eternal attributes are for whom? I wrote the meaning here. For whom the eternal attributes are? Jawab. As-Sifatul Baqiyah. Just copy from here. As-Sifatul Baqiyah. Then write Lillah, for Allah. The eternal attributes are for Allah. Then Hal. Already you know the meaning. Answer will be yes. Hal means is, are, do, does. Hal Allahu Jalla Sha'nuhu. Is Allah's grandeur great? Jawab Naam, yes. Allahu Jalla Sha'nuhu. Yes, Allah's grandeur is great. Limada means why. Naksha, we fear. Allah, Allah. So why do we fear Allah? Al-Jawab. لأن الله يبصر ويعلم كل شيء. Because the Almighty Allah sees and knows كل شيء, everything. Translation is here. هل الله يعلم كل خافية? Answer will be Naam, because this is the Hal. Is Allah knows every hidden things? Yes. Naam Allahu ya'lamu kulla khafiya. Then after the questions, 9th question will be asked from the poetry section. That is the last questions from poetry section. So altogether, already I told you in the beginning, there will be only 5 bits from the poetry sections. So this is the 5th one, and altogether 29 marks are there among the poetry section, and you have to study only the 4 poems this year. So this is not the last question. This is the last bit from the poetry section. Remember, there will be no choice. 5 questions will be given. You have to write the 5 answers. Yes or no. 5 marks. Man, who, already you had been taught last year. Rabbul Arazi, Lord of the earth, world. Jawab Allah. So this is the istifhamiya, interrogative. So memorize this one. Already you know, but you have to revise again. Man, min, what is the difference between? So man, who, min, from. Then hal, answer will be yes. Hal yabsuru an-namla. Hal Allah, is Allah sees the ant? Jawab yes. Man, who, huwa, he, Zu rahmatin, all powerful. Who is all powerful? All merciful, sorry. Rahma, mercy. Al Jawab Allah. Again hal. Nakhsha Allah. Do we fear Allah? If you see hal, 99.9%, answer will be yes. Al Jawab Naam. Then the last one also hal. Allahu yaqtadiru ala kulli shay. Is Allah all powerful over everything? Al Jawab yes. So hal, hal, hal. Among 5, there are 3 questions of hal. So when you see, especially in the one word question and answer, when you see hal, directly you write the answer Naam. Naam means yes. Hal means interrogative. Is, do, does, are. So this is the last bit from poetry section. So remember again, first bit, 2 lines of the poem you have to write in Arabic and you have to explain, 6 marks. Second bit, write the summary of any one of the following poem in your own language. You have to write the summary in English for 6 marks. Then bit number 5th will be from poetry, and that is the reference line. They will ask you give the reference of any 2 of the following verses. 5 verses will be given. You have to write only 2. Answer. Al Jawab Hadha Shi'r ukhidha min nashidati Alhamdu. So this one is also for 6 marks. Then after question number 7, which is SAQs, short question and answer. 4 questions will be given in Arabic and you have to answer in Arabic. How many questions? You have to answer only 2. For that you will get 6 marks. Then after 9th bit, 1 word answer from poetry section. So there will be no choice. 5 questions will be given. You have to answer all 5 questions. For that you will get 5 marks. So remember, you have altogether 29 marks from poetry section, and which are the bits are about to come in the final examinations. I many times remind you, and this lesson I prepared according to the final examinations and in which model they will ask you the questions from poetry section. So inshallah we will make some more videos for other poetry section. So this is the first one, inshallah. As I complete the second one, I will upload, inshallah. So prepare well. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.